How to redeem Walmart gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to redeem Walmart gift card online. In order to redeem your Walmart gift card, you first need to have a gift card available with you, and the gift card should have some balance in it as well. So for example, you have a gift card already, so you just need to copy the credentials from the gift card. And if you don't have the gift card with you of Walmart, so all you can do is just come to the official website of Walmart and you can buy yourself some gift card in order to use them in your account to get some extra benefit. And once you have the card with you, just simply come to the official website of Walmart and just simply select and explore the products that are there, and just simply put the product into the cart that you would want to buy in order to avail the discount while using the gift card that you have. And after that, just simply go to your cart section where you have selected the item and just click on continue to checkout, and you will be landed to the page where you have to enter your checkout details, like you have to enter your shipping address, your payment details and other options. And in order to redeem or enter your gift card, all you have to do is just simply click on have a promo card section from the payment section over here, and over here just simply enter your gift card details like your gift card number and click on apply, and whatever amount of gift card that you have will be redeemed or will be deducted from the price of the product that you are buying from the official website of Walmart, and just simply purchase the product that you would want to buy using your gift card. So this is basically how you will be able to redeem Walmart gift card online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.